Hey. Traveler's notebook layout today of a picture of my daughter when she was probably 4, maybe 5. She came out of my mom's house, and we've always joked about her loving to look at herself, and here she is looking at herself. So, that's my little love bug, though. She's always been in the mirror. That's all I can say about that. I pulled this piece of cloud paper stock out of my stash, and I'm just going to layer it across. And then my idea is to use up some of my stickers. Actually, I'll move it up a little bit. Use up some of these word stickers here. And get those used up. Oh, I didn't get that in there. Let's see. Is that going to work? I do not know. Sorry about my fan earlier, you guys. That bad boy's got a mind of its own lately. Anyway. I did not think about matting this. Oops. Let's see. Grab one of these handy dandy tags I have sitting to the side. Oh, that one's cute. Let's see. That'd work. Getting some of my stash used. Whoop whoop. Love that. And now I gotta find some twine. Oh, hold up. Is that good? A little bit too out there. Let's pull you back in. There we go. I think I'm gonna put her over here. Oopsie, towards the bottom, and then put a whole bunch of these word stickers maybe over there. Now, let's see what we got in my dollar store twine here. Should I bring in the yellow? That would be cute. Oh no, I think I should do blue. I wish I had a turquoise. Do have an orange. Oh, there's turquoise. Boom. Let's use that one. Okay. I don't remember which way it's supposed to go. I always forget. Yeah, so anyway, my daughter, she's a little hammy-lammy, and she would, anytime she saw a mirrored image or mirrored area, she was drawn to it to look at herself, and she still is. I guess you would call that a narcissist. If I was as pretty as her, I probably would too, though. There we go. Tighten y'all up a little bit. There we go. Now, let's put it down. Should have brought one of those mini doilies in. Didn't think about that. I love having these little tags on my desk. They're pre-made. They're just ready to go. How about that? Alright, now we just embellish. And now I'm going to put you guys on pause because these were giving me a hard time. And I don't want you guys to sit through that. So hold tight. Okay, sorry. I almost started embellishing a little too much. But I put the words down the side over here. I'm using these star puffies to just have them all incorporated. Excuse me. A little bit better. And I'll use this. Excuse me. Love one here. I was thinking something down here, but I'm not sure yet. I know I'm becoming inundated with a bunch of word stuff, so obviously my go-to is always to just start piling it on and, you know, making it sort of like the background, which I think is fine. Gracious, I'm so sorry I haven't had any water today. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. See, but I don't want to just be willy-nilly with it, you know. I don't know if I have anything to go down here. Oops, get back over here. Let's see here. These are bigger, but gracious, I don't want to. Well, let's see. I do want to use some of these as sort of an accent to the stars. Ah! Come back here. And I always try to like put them where the intersections are, so to speak, or on a corner. It just kind of like ties it all in. Just you guys probably already know this, I love me some enamel dots. Ooh, 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 ooh. They make me so happy. Do we want to put some, well, we'll hold off on those. But I will get rid of this sticker sheet as well. Because you can never have enough hearts on your kids' layout, right? You know what? Maybe... No, maybe that won't work. I'll just put up a few of them down here. Make it look like it's just going away. Right there. Then, can we use any of these? I think I'll use this week. No, that probably wouldn't make sense. We'll use So Fun. She's a little bucket of fun. Oopsie. Getting like Inky Quill, using 18 pounds of glue. Sorry, okay. I love her to pieces. Okay, and then camera. Ooh, zigzags. No. Oh, you know what? I should use a black one because of the contrast. There we go. That'll give this little area down here something. Okay. It's a little bit gaudy, I guess, but alright. I got enough words in there, I would say. And I think I'm done. Alrighty. I only got a few more pages in this, and then I'm trying to get this wrapped up so I can move on to using my new color cast ones and my other one over there. So hope you guys enjoy. Have a great rest of your Saturday. Bye.